All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello friends, I am Anvesha Datta. I welcome you all to the world of spirituality. Many of you are now busy balancing your lives. Life is like an ocean. It is so deep that we have to discover it. It may take years to discover our own journey. It takes lots of courage to survive in this ocean. Whoever dives in this sea, the person automatically learns how to swim here in order to survive. Few people are also there who had lost their hope for winning the challenge and took a step to end their life. But one has to remember that nobody is a loser. I repeat, nobody. Sometimes such situation occurs in life where we lose something or start thinking ourselves loser. Not everyone can accept that. This is not at all a solution. Losing one place or one field or failing one exam does not make someone loser or failure. There are many people who were not good in academics, but in their future they are doing good. Everything happens in a time frame. Time will pass. Don't lose your hope. Bad time will pass as well as good time will also pass. So don't enjoy too much for your success. It is better for you to prepare for your next exam or next challenge of your life. If you will get failure in that, then everyone will start forgetting that you were a winner before. You will become a failure in other's eyes. Everything is perspective of a situation. You are not a loser or winner. Then who you are? You are a champion. Yes, a champion who knows how to overcome obstacles and how to fight back. How to make the right time for you. So, always prepare for your right time. You never know when your time will come. Time does not take exam by giving notice. Also, here is no fixed syllabus like our school exams. You have to be prepared. If you do your part of duty sincerely, then don't be afraid. Be confident. Time will be yours. Time will become right for you when your approach towards life will become right. If you are worried about your future and wasting your time thinking day and night, then what will you do when your time will come? So, you will lose the rest. Behave like a champion to become a champion. Life does not cheat. Life always gives an opportunity. Hold it before it goes away. If you do not accept an offer, someone else will accept that and will become successful. Grab an opportunity whatever life gives you. If you get better opportunity later, then you can easily switch it. If you do not have anything in your hand, then don't cry. Think that you have an empty hand so that you can grab the next opportunity tightly with both of your hands so that it will not be missed. Change your approach towards life. Life will change for you. Think positive. Be positive. Also, act in a positive way. Whatever we think continuously in our subconscious mind, automatically we get it. Unknowingly, we start attracting the things toward us. This way, law of attraction works. So, if you are crazy for something like a particular job, you can get it this way. For that, you must have to do hard work. Otherwise, when your time will come, you will miss the opportunity. Generally, we can only see life from the surface. If we go deep, we can see how beautiful life is. Spirituality or your growth in life, both are like waves in the ocean. One has to go deep to understand both. Life is incomplete without the trust. Trust yourself. You are a part of this universe. So, you share the same energy with the universe. It is so deep that you will have to dive in to find out. We can only see waves. Behind the waves, a beautiful life or a beautiful spiritual world is there. Waves try to push you back, but you are a champion. So, cross the waves. It is only a test. Eventually, you will pass. Champion, you will rule the life if you know the rules of life. All the best. Thank you for joining me. This is all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy. Be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.